Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And today I'm excited. I'm going to do a makeover using the new products that I featured in my shorts about the Ella Fitzgerald limited edition makeup. Absolutely gorgeous makeup colors. So I'm going to be doing a little combination. As you see, I have nothing on my face. So I'm going to do a little bit of base products using Mary Kay products. And then the color products are mostly going to be the Ella Fitzgerald from Besame Cosmetics. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm also going to be sharing some fun facts about Ella Fitzgerald. She was an absolutely incredible singer. So we're going to talk about a little bit of that as I'm doing the makeover, and I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. And if you like this video, please consider like and subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps my channel to grow. Okay, so for real this time, let's get started.
A quote by Ella Fitzgerald: "It isn't where you came from, it's where you're going that counts." She was dubbed the First Lady of Song, and she was also known as the most popular female jazz singer more than 50 years ago. Right now, I'm using Mary Kay Ivory C110 foundation. I'm going to coat this all over my face and then blend it in really well. Another fun fact about Ella is that she won 13 Grammys, which is just an amazing accomplishment for her time. Sold over 40 million albums. Can you imagine? That is so incredible. She also had the opportunity to perform worldwide with some of the greats, such as Duke Ellington, Nat King Cole, and Frank Sinatra. What an absolute honor that is. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting this all over, and then we'll get right back to the next part. Next, I'm going to be using the Mary Kay Powder Foundation in Light Ivory. And I'm going to use a Mary Kay brush. You want to make sure you tap this off a little bit in there first, and then I like to take the lid and tap some more off in the lid just to make sure everything is off. And then we're going to apply this all over our face. And it helps just give a nice extra coverage. Another fun fact, did you know that Ella got her start at an amateur night at the Apollo? And some of the songs that made her famous were Love and Kisses, A Tisket a Tasket that became popular in 1938, and it remained on the charts for 17 weeks. This is a highlighter in rose gold. Unfortunately, I do not have the compact for it because I had ordered a little gift set. So this came separately, but I absolutely love the application of it. It's very light and airy feeling on my face, and I really think it's a beautiful highlight / blush combination color. Very happy with this choice. Let's talk about some other hits that she had. One is Oh Lady Be Good, Cow Cow Boogie, I'm Making Believe, Dream a Little Dream, Over the Rainbow, How High the Moon, Satin Doll, But Not For Me, Cry Me a River, Someone to Watch Over Me, Cheek to Cheek, and Summertime. Truly an amazing career. She sadly passed away at the age of 79 from complications from diabetes. Something else you may not know is due to those complications, she had both of her legs amputated below the knee. That was later in her life. This eyeshadow quad is absolutely gorgeous. I'm also using one of the wands brushes that came with it. And I really like the lightness of this makeup brush. It is very easy to pick up the product, which you can see is pigmented. And it goes on nice and smooth. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be layering the colors, keeping them all together. I'm going to use 3 of the colors today. And I really like how they come together. And what about this compact, you all? Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? They did an incredible job when designing this. I just love the packaging. The proceeds also go back to her foundation, which is another reason I like it. I love to support that. And this is not a sponsored post. This is just some beautiful, incredible makeup that I saw and wanted to give a try out and wanted to be able to share it with all of you. So I hope you enjoy seeing it. I must admit, this is a company of cosmetics that I had not heard of previously. So I'm super excited to be able to find them and give them a try. And more than likely, I will be trying more products from their line as well. So you can see how nice and smooth that went on. I'm really happy with that. So next we're going to line the eyes. This is a Mary Kay black eyeliner, and this is the eyeliner that you can turn to bring it up. Now back in the 1920s, they had a pretty dramatic eye. They did the wings on top only. So I'm going to make a nice thick wing here. They also put the black on and then they kind of blurred it up a little bit. So Mary Kay makes a wonderful eyeliner. As you know, I was a consultant, and I like how easy and smooth that it goes on. They also line the entire top of their eye, so I'm going to be doing that here. And you can already see a difference between my two eyes when I have the liner on versus when I don't have the liner on. And I'm going to make this nice and thick. And just remember, if you ever mess up when you're putting on your eyeliner, it's super easy to just get a little eye makeup remover, take a Q-tip, and touch up the areas that you would like to. Takes a little bit of practice. Now here you see me just rolling it back up because I had used so much and I needed to do that. Mary Kay eyeliners also have a sharpener built in on the tip of the cap. And I love that feature about them as well. So I'm just filling in the rest of this. Great big mirror in the compact. It makes it really easy to see. Next, I'm going to take another brush and just smudge it in a little bit, just so that the lines aren't as harsh. The liner did a pretty good job getting it where I wanted to, so I only have to do a little bit to blend this in. And as mentioned, due to the 1920s, I'm going to keep the liner only on my upper eyelids. I am going to use a different mascara today. This is another mascara that I enjoy. It's from Too Faced and it's called Better Than Sex Mascara. And this usually does a wonderful job giving you nice voluptuous lashes. I have a lot of favorite mascaras, so it's hard to pick just one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, give you an idea of how it looks. Something else that would be fun would be to add some lashes if you're interested in that. Now, mostly they kept mascara just on the upper eyelid in the 1920s. Sometimes they went below. I'm going to show you the before with it just on my upper lashes, and then I'm also going to add them to my lower lashes, just because I like that effect a little bit more. My lashes are so light that I think that I need just a little bit. So that's with it just on the top. And here I'm going to add just a little bit on the bottom. For me, it just feels like it completes the look for my preferences a little bit more. And as you see with this mascara, you don't need a whole lot, and you can definitely notice the difference right away. I really enjoy this. Next, I'm going to use the lip liner from Mary Kay in the color Berry. And I'm going to line my lips and show you the first beautiful lipstick that comes with this set. And the color that I'm going to be using first is called Apollo, and I think that it is absolutely gorgeous. Another quote that I want to share from Ella is, just don't give up trying to do what you really want to do Where there is love and inspiration, I don't think you can go wrong. I love that quote. So here I'm going to put on this gorgeous lipstick. As you can see, the packaging and everything is just absolutely stunning. And again, this is called Apollo, is the color. And I must say, it is gorgeous. I really like this. It really brings the whole look together and makes everything just pop. I always admired all the actresses and actresses back in the day and the singers. I love their makeup and their hairstyles back in the day. I love their attention to detail. So here we go. Here's the finished look all put together. I'd love to hear your comments below and see what you think of this look. If it's colors that you like put together, what do you think of the makeup in general? Next, I want to talk about this Refresh and Set Jasmine Mist. Oh my goodness, you guys, this smells absolutely amazing. And you just put it all over your face when you're done with the finished look, and it helps hold and set it for the rest of the day. It smells incredible.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. I love the feel of the makeup, and the lipstick is so soft and smooth. I love the color. I'm actually going to do a quick lipstick change for you to show how to use the lip brush and also the other color that came in the set that I made.
Okay, so this next color is called Savory. It is also an absolutely beautiful color. They did such a wonderful job creating these. And then I'm going to use the lip brush that I also ordered with this set. And a lip brush is good for getting just enough of the product if you don't want too much on. It's also easy to line the lips. So if you don't have a liner available, this really helps. It may take a few more applications for you to get it where you want it, but you can have it as a light color or you can add more for a thicker color. So there's lots of benefits to the lip brush as well as using the lipstick from the tube. Also, if you're using a lip brush, it's going to help you keep the product longer. And when you get down toward the end of the lipstick, you're going to be able to put the brush in there and use the little bit that's left. Because if you're like me and you find an absolutely amazing lip color that you just can't be without, and you're down to the last little bit, a lip brush really comes in handy in getting all that out. So this goes on really nice and smooth. I'm really liking the lip brush. It flows real nice and easy, and it's long enough to have coverage of the entire lip. As you can see, it flows really nice. And y'all, what do you think of this color? I think it's absolutely beautiful, and it's definitely a color that'll go with a lot of different makeup looks. Love to hear your thoughts down below, what you think.
Thanks so much again for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe so I can continue to bring you some more great content. I've got lots of ideas for this channel, and I'm excited to try out different makeup brands and beauty products and more to share with you. If you watch some of my shorts, I also share some Amazon reviews. I'm also sharing some nights at the water or days at the water that I enjoy. Just some soothing and relaxing things that you guys can have. It's a little bit different. Like I said, I'd be changing the channel up a little bit this year, so I'd love to hear your thoughts and the direction it's going in. And I'm also going to be posting a lot more. So I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day.